Meaning of hard left.
Hard left.
Hard left.
Hard left.
Hard left. The term hard left typically refers to individuals or political groups who hold far left or extreme left-wing views. This could include a belief in socialist or communist ideologies, opposition to capitalism, and support for radical social and political change. The result of a hard left movement gaining significant influence or power could be the implementation of policies that prioritize collective ownership and control of resources, extensive government intervention in the economy, and a more equal distribution of wealth and resources. However, such movements could also face significant opposition and potential destabilization from other sectors of society.